In a world full of wireless earbuds, finding the right pair can be tough. That's why we've created a guide to help you find the perfect earbuds. What are you looking for is the first question. Long-lasting battery life, true wireless stereo or TWS, Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Does it provide rich, high-quality audio for music, gaming, and calls? If these are some of your questions, we've got answers for you. Many high-end earbuds give you up to 36 hours of listening. Open-ear earbuds keep you aware everywhere. And ear models block noise and sound great. Choosing earbuds can be super confusing with so many options out there. Still unsure? Looking for the perfect pair? Swing by our blog for some awesome tips.